Greetings, fellow educators and students. Welcome to my new YouTube channel. I just wanted to take a few moments just to introduce myself and talk a little about my YouTube channel. My name's Adam Metzler. I'm actually a full-time music teacher way up in the county in northern Maine. I teach at a small school district in Mars Hill. I've been teaching here, I'm in my 15th year now, which is really hard to believe. My main job is teaching instrumental music to all students in grades 5 through 12. I found my way in a little bit, starting with web design and doing the school site, which snowballed into stepping into the department, and through a bunch of different situations that came up, I found myself in charge of the tech department, which honestly, the tech department is just me. We do have a guy we bring in when we have some advanced network stuff, but generally I'm the only go-to guy on site. Now, as I started out by saying, I'm a full-time teacher. So throw that on top of being the techie in the district, and my schedule keeps pretty busy. In addition, I coach the golf team and a few other things I enjoy to do too. The one thing I get to do and I love about this job is I get to do everything I love to do, and I get paid for a lot of it too, which is awesome. So I love that. But the problem and the thing I've learned over the years is a lot of educators, just between all the stuff going on that you have to deal with, you don't have time to get a lot of training, and there's so many new things coming out and about that we have to have training sessions on. It's hard to have dedicated training time for technology. So this YouTube channel is made just for that. My goal is to provide videos that are generally 6 to 10 minutes long, small chunk videos for educators and students, and helping you how to learn different pieces of technology, whether it's hardware, a website, software, anything. I hope to build up a wealth of videos that are just short chunks. Each video is just going to focus on one thing. It's not going to be a ton of different things, so if you need to slowly go through it, you don't have to worry about it covering a bunch of different topics. Each video is going to deal with one skill, and that's it. Over time, I hope to build up a wealth of tutorial videos so you can just go in, find the video that you are looking for some help on, watch the video, and you'll hopefully be good to go. I do have a blog website you can visit at AdamOnTech.com. I try to update that regularly, but as you know, life has a way of happening, and I try to keep it as active as possible, but I do get a few posts on it. I try a couple times a month. Doesn't always work out that way due to my full-time music job, but I try. I will have a contact form there, so if you're looking for a video tutorial on a specific topic, use the comments on YouTube or go on over to my site at AdamOnTech.com and submit a suggestion over there, and I will do my best to get a video up. I look forward to getting to know a lot of you, hopefully over the years, and interacting with you through the different communities. And I'm really excited for this channel, and I really hope it helps a lot of you fellow educators and students out there. So, without further ado, enjoy my YouTube channel.